I know the title sounds a tad bit off, right? Well, I understand. Because how can you make more money and sell less as a business owner, right? Before I give you the secret sauce about this, and all that, and answer this question, I'm going to tell you what this is not. This is not upselling people in some weird funnel. This is not marking up your prices to the 10th power or anything like that. This is also not about product placement or some weird psychology of selling. Nope, none of those things. Even though some of those things and some of those methods and some of those ways can work if you got the skills to pay the bills. Know what I mean? But this is not that. None of that. None of the above, right? But before I tell you what it really is,
allow me to reintroduce myself.
my name is Devon. Put in work. And I'm just like you, a hard-working family man that grew tired of the grind and wanted to learn how to make more money, save more money while building a better me and a business. And now I'm here to teach you the same. So with that being said, subscribe to the channel and like this video. So I want to reintroduce something. If you never heard about it, right? You never heard what this is. You probably never heard about it. You probably did. And if you did, you probably said, I ain't doing that, right? But I'm going to tell you. I want to introduce to you cash discounting. It's a game changer, man.
This changes everything.
This solution is designed to save you money on transaction fees and increase your overall profitability, right?
Oh, is it hot in here?
By offering cash discounts to your customers, you not only incentivize, I said that right, incentivize. I did say it right, incentivize.
Yeah, I said it.
Cash transactions, but also minimize the impact of processing fees on your what? On your what? Say it with me. Come on. It's so many words you can say. On your revenue, on your profit, on your bottom line. So here are some key benefits of our cash discounting program here at the Wealth Builders. Number 1, reduced processing fees. Enjoy significant savings on credit card processing fees by encouraging cash transactions. Number 2, increased profitability. Like I said, right? Keep more of your hard-earned money with a streamlined and cost-effective payment solution. Because we're all about the solutions, baby. Number 3, customer incentives. Like I said, pass on the savings to your customers and create a win-win situation that encourages repeat business. We all love repeat business, right? Repeat business is the best business, if you ask me. Number 4, seamless integration. Our program is easy to implement, and our team is here to support you every step of the way. If you run a business like a tire shop, a pizza shop, a beauty salon, a boutique, a food truck, ice cream shop, sandwich shop, anything shop, everywhere shop, this will be a great way to increase your bottom line. Any business that customers might come in with cash, then the cash discounting program is a really smart business move for you. Trust me. Now is the perfect time to take advantage of this opportunity and transform the way you handle transactions. To learn more about how our cash discounting program can benefit your business, click the first link below and get started today. All right? So, thanks for watching. Thanks for being a subscriber. Thanks for being a wealth builder. It's the man, it's the myth, the wealth builder himself, Devon. Put in work. Burke, signing on 4. Make more money, but sell less. As a business owner. Interesting, right? Do remember what builders make more, save more, build more. Buzz.